LED manufacturers have unique needs. LED binning is the process of categorizing LEDs into groups based on certain key performance characteristics, allowing for a smoother manufacturing process. Since LEDs naturally have slight variations due to their manufacturing processes, binning ensures that LEDs used in the same product have consistent appearance and performance. Panasonic LED binning allows manufacturers to produce one product with more than one component pair, without manually changing the product on the machine. Our LED binning also prevents operators from inadvertently splicing together different classes of LEDs or resistors, which could cause material misplacement and product failure. Finally, our LED binning process will automatically prevent boards from entering the machine if insufficient LEDs remain, resulting in a more consistent finished product.